Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about Cash App phone number recovery. First, open the Cash App and tap on login. Instead of entering your old phone number, tap on use email instead. Enter the email address associated with your Cash App account. Cash App will send you a sign-in code to your email that you have just entered. Then check your inbox, enter that code and you'll be logged in. Once you are in, go to your profile by tapping on the circle icon on the top. Scroll down and find personal information. Here you can update your phone number by tapping on the current one and replacing it with your new number as you wish. Make sure to verify it when prompted, and that's it. You have successfully recovered your Cash App using your email and updated your phone number. If you can't access either of your email or phone, you will need to contact Cash App support directly through the app or their website. We are going to talk about this on the next video. So if you want to get notified, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell before going. Thank you so much for watching.